Hi there and welcome to the channel. I'm Carmen. Today I'm going to do a plan with me. I'm using my Hobonichi Weeks planner and I'm going to plan the upcoming week but also finish out the current week with you. If you're new, I'm so glad to have you. If you're a return viewer, welcome back. So glad to have you back. So I'm going to dig right in, and what I want to do is just finish out this last week and then start planning next week. So I'm on the last day of this week, and I already put in a sticker for this is going to be, relaxing day on this last day. But also I do need to enter a couple of things in, and I do have another thing to move forward. So if you missed my last video, I'm using this planner to plan basically business planning. And so this is one I'm going to have to move forward. And so I'm putting the arrow, that's my symbol. I know everyone has their own symbol for moving something forward. And then also at the end of the week, I like to fill out the number of subscribers. I mentioned this last week. I've got 2 channels, and the first channel is completely unrelated to the second, but it's got 25,082 subscribers, and this channel at the time I'm recording this has 522 subscribers. This channel is fairly new, so again, welcome if you are new to it. It is a fairly new channel. And then also this update financials, that's got to move forward as well. I've got the, this is actually Hubman and Chub Girls Cozy Cats Hobonichi Weeks kit. Now, you don't need a kit to do this at all. You can just, you don't even need to decorate, but I actually find that a fun part of planning. But I do want to mention, and I'll start sticking while I mention this, you may wonder, why are you using Cozy Cats? It's because it is going to be cold this coming week. It's actually, I can't believe it, it's almost 80 degrees Fahrenheit today, and next week it is going to be cold, like lows in the 30s. So we're getting second winter or third winter at this point. And I actually live in a pretty warm area. So this is very, I wouldn't say very unusual, but it's not typical. How about that? I'll say it's not typical weather for this area for this time of the year. Got that a little crooked, but that's okay. And you will find, if you stay with me, I'm not super precision oriented. I don't like it to look messy, but I'm not super into being ultra precise. This is for me and you, of course, since you're watching, but I mean, it's not meant to be perfect. It's meant to be real life. And I don't know how you feel about your planner, but that's how I feel about mine. And while I am filming this, this is my real planner. So I do want to mention that you can stifle yourself for sure, and I've done this in the past, that's why I mention it. Stifle your creativity, stifle your planning if you worry too much about it being perfect, and not just do it. Just go ahead and do it. Now I will mention, if you notice, I do have the Japanese version of the Hobonichi Weeks. There is an English version, but only the January start is the English version, and this is actually the April start. And yes, it's March, but it starts a little before the official April start. Same with their January start. It starts a little before. You get some extra time there, so to speak. And then I actually like this layout last week. This is just a hard piece of cardstock I'm using as just something to write on. So there's nothing special about this. It's literally just a scrap of cardstock. But I really liked this to-do layout last week. This worked really well for me. I know some people write super tiny, and I could get a pen and write even smaller than I write. I don't like that there. I like the bigger, even though this is a small planner, I like the large area for the to-dos. So I'm going to continue keeping the format pretty much the same. I like that so much, so that's why I'm flipping back to look at that. So we'll put the to-do list right up here. And let me know when you are doing your planning, whether you use this planner or another planner, it doesn't matter. Planning is planning. Do you like using stickers? Do you use sticker sets, or do you just use stickers randomly, however you feel like doing? Or do you not use any stickers or embellishments at all? Do you just plan? I'm just curious. Let me know in the comments. I'm definitely always interested. And also let me know where you're watching from. I always love to hear where people are watching from. It's always just really interesting to me. I'm in the coastal South Carolina of the United States, so that's a little bit higher than I would like it, but I have learned with this paper, it depends on the sticker. Washi tape usually will peel up okay. These stickers, just a tip if you are using the Hobonichi Weeks, they can rip the paper or take some of the paper with them. So once I commit, I just go with it. And sometimes these color edges are easier to do before you start planning. It can be harder to go back and do later. So I just want to add a little accent color. Tuesday, I believe, or is it Monday? No, it's Monday. Monday we are supposed to have crazy rain, and then that's when it's getting cold right after that. So I've got my little rain cloud guy. St. Patrick's Day is Tuesday, and so I do want to put that here, just to designate that that is that day. And then what I always do is fill in, like I said, my sort of personal appointments. Actually, I know this sounds funny to call it an appointment, but I have a call with a friend that does not live locally, and so I want to put that on Monday. I'm actually gonna, first of all, come back over here and fill this out. So this will be channel 1, and I'll go ahead and fill these out. So like I said, I had something to move forward, and this is the clean videos off computer. So I got the little rain clouds again to go along with that rain cloud, just to separate this right here. Just take that off right there. Now I've got a little dividing line because I do want to put some to-dos down here as well for both channels, just like I did before. That worked out really well. I just fill these out as the week goes on, but I'm just trying to give you an idea of how I set this up so that you can use this method if it helps you. And so for channel 2, I don't have anything moving forward, so I will just be moving this. So I am going to say film 2 to 3 long form. That's for long form videos. So that, just like this video, I'm picking the tea along with these cozy cats just because of the weather next week, since we're going to have 3 nights either in the 30s or close to the 30s. It may not be quite into the 30s. It definitely at least one night is going to be in the 30s. They keep changing the forecast. You know how that is. Especially us living here at the beach, the forecast changes all the time. So there, that gives that a little bit more, and maybe even, will that fit? Yes, it will. I like having it on both sides too. So now this should have dried enough. So I'm going to go back and do the subscriber count. And then I don't want to cover up the March at the top, but this is spring, and so why not put a little spring, even though it's going to be chilly next week, put a little spring at the top here. That looks fun. And then what I like to do with these, I put the appointments on this last week, and lesson learned, that takes up too much space sometimes. I found myself running out of room on certain days. I even got a smaller pen out to use to write some things in. So what I'm actually going to do this time is, as I complete a day, I'm going to plug these in, but you'll be able to see what that looks like next week, because I will of course show this week right before I start working on next week's plan. I love this little kitty in a box. And then because it is turning cold on Tuesday, I'm probably going to do one of those things where I get too many things on one day and then I'll need to write a bunch and won't have room. But I got to put this little cozy guy because this is when it really gets chilly. He looks all bundled up. And then I've got one that, to me, it almost looks like he's on a stack of laundry. I don't know if that's the intention, but he is really, really cute. And if you're wondering why I'm calling this channel 2, it's because it's the newer channel. I literally just numbering them, you know, and it's quicker than writing the name of each channel down. And then I am also doing Tuesday or Wednesday and Thursday. I'm still playing with the days on this channel because it's new. I'm trying to find out what works best for all of you. So if you have feedback, definitely let me know in the comments. I would greatly appreciate that too. So there, we're set up for the week. If you'd like to learn more about planning and journaling, definitely click on that video that's on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.